Welcome. In front of me is a Amazon Fire Phone, and today I will show you how to enable unknown sources on the device. So starting off, we will need to open up the settings app, which can be found in, as you can see, either if you open it recently right here, but other than that, when you pull down the app tray, you'll see it right here, depending on how many apps you have, or you can also pull down from the notification panel and you will see it right here. Doesn't really matter which one you choose, just to get to the settings. And from here, choose the, looks like right here, the applications and control, parental controls. And you'll see allow non-Amazon apps installation. And app installation, just turn that on. Confirm it once more. And you're basically done. Now we can install non-Amazon apps on the device. So anything that you, let's say, downloaded from the internet browser or just copied it over from your computer, whatever it is the case, you can now install it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.